What's up, guys? We're gonna 𝗗𝗡𝗣𝗘, and finally FL21 is here, and you can get it a little early. So I'm gonna show you how to actually get that real quick, and then we can kind of move on. All right, so the link in the description and comment section, okay, will take you here, and pretty much you just scroll down and you can just download your version, okay, and it's the actual version of it. You're just getting it early, okay. So you just download it like usual, and make sure you migrate your settings so you don't mess all your stuff up, and you should be good. So now I'm gonna just kind of show you how to install and extract these themes. All right, so now that you know you can download it, I have actually some themes for you, and I'll show you how to install them and extract them. If you're on Windows, it should be similar on Mac, but if you go to options and you go to theme settings, it'll pop up a bunch of these cool themes. And yes, now in the new FL you can change the color. Now hopefully later they improve it, because a lot of this is kind of just filters. So it took me a while to make all of these. They have a bunch of default ones, and they look, some of them, they look pretty nice. I mean, obviously the white is a flashbang, but I don't think the colors don't look bad. And you got these, and I think these two are probably some of the best ones out. But I just made some custom ones, just to give you some nice templates to start with. So we can go from the top. So we got black and white 100%. This is one that I use for something else. And then we got this one is slightly different. It's kind of that gray is a little cooler. Okay, and then just some, you can start off, change the colors with dark gray. I like this one. I like the faded gray. It's kind of hard to see some of the things, but oh well. It's this is all we got to work with. Faded, just some variety of colors and shades. Now this is the one that I usually use. Obviously I named it here, right? So you'll see me using this one because it's easier on the eyes and for the videos, while also kind of being kind of my own like style, right? So we got clean, you know, dark. I know everybody's probably gonna want like the all black, all, you know, the dark colors. And yeah, you could change the faders as well. So I just went ahead and color coded all of that. So I'll just show you all of these, and all of these are free. Don't be getting scammed out here paying for some free templates. Okay, these are gonna be free. So just a few, just some different combos that look good, and then you can just change your colors. Okay, if you want to change it to blue, you can. As you can see, it'll change your color. You can just, you know, customize it, make it look nice. Okay. All right, so I will be showing you how to install these, because it took me a while to actually find the folder for this. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do real quick. All right, so it actually took me a while to find this, because after downloading so many different versions of FL, right, you'll have different areas where your folders will end up. So for me, mine ended up here. I'll show you two places where you might be able to just load them in or just extract your own. So basically you just want to go to this PC, okay, and then go to your Windows, or if you have Mac, it should be kind of the same on Mac. Obviously the navigation would be a little different, but as far as like the type of folders, it should be somewhat the same. So you go to your Windows, go to users, and this is your computer name, right? So this is where all of your like main files, desktop files will be. And then you click documents, and then in here you want to go image line, and then you want to find FL Studio. Okay, don't pay attention to the date, because it'll be wrong. It won't really tell you exactly. And then instead of going artwork, you go to settings and go to themes. Now I think since I installed 21 without uninstalling 20, it installed everything in the same folder as 20. But I'm not taking any risk. I don't want to lose any settings, so I just overwrote it. So here are the themes. Okay, so you could just pretty much take the ones that I give you, and just drop them in here, and they'll pop up in FL Studio. So now another way is you could take the shortcut. So this is the FL21 shortcut. You could right click, go to open file location, okay, and then it'll take you here, and then you can go to artwork, themes, and this is where the default themes lay. So you could probably drop these in and they'll work, because it's the same exact files, so they'll just become default files. That is if you cannot find that directory, and up here is how you get there. Okay, so that's just how you install them or extract them if you want to make your own. That's it. So let's go ahead and get to making a melody. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just make a little beat here. Something simple. I didn't pick too many sounds. I want to keep this very brief. And also, for the channel rack, what I found worked while I was looking for my sounds. I seen that these things, they were too bright. So what I did was I went to steps and I kind of lowered the value. So if you look here, you can kind of see it's kind of somewhere in the middle, a little below it. Right, and then I just kind of made them so they're about the same contrast, just so it's easier to see, because previously it was too bright and it was kind of hard to see when it was actually on. So let's go ahead and grab in a scale. Let's do like an E minor or something. Okay, you can close this. Here is a key I chose. Okay, let's go in here and I'm gonna try to make this quick. I might fast forward parts if I have to. But I like to at least just make something. So start on E, make a chord backwards, pull this over, do a +1. And I'll pull this up. Let's see if we can mess around with some of these notes. Okay, I might pull that up, but let's finish it in here. Let's pull this up an octave. I'm just trying to get some stuff down. Pull this over and I'm just pull this up just for like some variation. I'm just copy this to this sound here. I mean, I wish you had more flexibility with the colors, because I don't really like how this looks in here, but you know, it is what it is. All right, so that's our little quick melody. So now we can just add in our drums and stuff, and I'm gonna actually transpose this up 1 because I kind of like the way that sound. Oops, I messed it up. I'll fix it, but let's move on to the drums. All right, so let's go ahead and throw in that 808. So we just need to copy this. It should be very simple, and I might speed up with the drums as well. So I'm gonna Shift D, and I transpose it up as well. Just some simple little drums. Let's throw that back in. All right. So now I'm just throw some drums in and we just play it and end the video. All right, so here is the beat. Just a really, really simple beat. I'll play it here and I'll just play it with the solo sound as well. All right, and that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.